Hi everyone, I'm Cathy, the Clumsy Soaper. Today I would like to share with you the new design technique that I developed. Soap sister Elizabeth helped me to name this technique and we call this Bokeh Drip. Before we start, I'd like to thank you for joining me again this week. If you are new here in my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon for a weekly soap making tips and tricks, DIY tutorials, or recipe sharing from me. Soap making is my passion, so I would really appreciate if you can join me in my soap making journey so we could learn and grow together. So, let's get started. First, let's check the temperature. Both oil and lye are in room temperature now, so we can slowly and carefully pour 37% lye solution into the oil blend. This recipe is created using my own soap lye calculator. You can visit and try it at www.mysoapcalc.com. We also have a soap costing calculator there, and a lot more. I'll put the link in the description box below. Next, hand stir the mixture to obtain an emulsion. Then, add the fragrance oil. Stir again until we reach trace. This is my no-stick blender mixing technique, so you may wonder on why my ingredient addition sequence is different compared to other soap makers. Next, pour the batter into the colorants and stir it until it is properly dispersed. Now we can start with designing our soap using the Bokeh Drip technique. This is very easy. You will need an empty container, then place a thick plastic inside it. Next, pour your soap inside the plastic. You can do an in-the-pot swirl or any pour technique that you prefer. I just used 2 colorants here, but you can add more if you want. Next, we can loosely tie the plastic with a string, but make sure to secure the knot as tight as you can. To make the Bokeh Drip technique, we need to hang the plastic. Using a skewer, poke holes into the plastic. You can poke as many holes as you want. Let the soap butter drip, and then you can also move the container or the plastic to create the bokeh pattern. It's that easy. And you can also play around. After a few days, we are ready to cut the soap. While I cut this soap, let us have a quick chit-chat. Today is the first time that I will be using my new soap cutter on camera. I really love this soap cutter. I call her Red Sparkle. I know that it may sound crazy, but I just like giving names to my personal stuff. This was customized in the Philippines by Joanne of Joanna's Project. I asked her to paint it in red because this is my favorite color. Then I told her that I'd like it to be shiny and sparkly. So I'm not so sure if you can see the blue glitters on camera. Of course, my YouTube channel name is there, the Clumsy Soaper. This is not a sponsored post, I just want to share it with you because I am really impressed with their work and craftsmanship. I'm so happy with the Bokeh Drip outcome, but I feel that we can improve this technique further using high contrast in colors. I also love the texture of the soaps. My question for the week: what do you think about the Bokeh Drip? Is it clever or never? Let me know by writing it down in the comment section below.
Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed what I shared, please leave a like and a comment below. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep you posted of my weekly uploads. Until next time, bye-bye and happy birthday to those who will be celebrating their birthdays this month. God bless!